Dear customer, welcome to the online training session of Odex. This is the tutorial video for the BMCT DPD container terminal payments via Odex. We will show you how to make the first payment on Odex based on planned pickup dates and then the consecutive payments. We start by logging on to Odex portal, and from the dashboard we need to select the EDO services, select the gateway port location and click here to continue. Under the drop-down selection option available on top, we select the invoices option and then select the terminal invoices or terminal payments here. Once you select the terminal invoices option, it will take you to the terminal invoices dashboard. This is a search page where you'll be able to see the list of all the transactions for DPD payments made to BMCT. Click on the new terminal payment button on the right side of the page. This will further take you to the new payment page. Please note here that all the fields which are visible in red are mandatory and cannot be left blank. So we begin with selecting the terminal name and followed by the vessel and via. And then we enter the DPD code of the customer and we click the view button. This will display all the containers that are part of this vessel via and DPD code along with the actual discharge date based on the data received from the terminal. Customer can make payments for all containers or he can make payments for only select containers by deleting the other containers from the grid below or as shown on the screen. You can delete the containers by clicking on the X button. Once you have selected the containers for which you want to make a payment and deleted the rest, please select the pickup date and time slot for which you want to pick up the containers. There are currently slots available from 1200 hours till 23:59 hours. And we click on this button here. So as you can see, the pickup time has now been scheduled for 5th of September and this is the total payable amount which is being displayed. Based on the pickup date and time slot and type of container, Odex shall calculate the estimated amount to be paid for the select container. Once you see the amount to be paid, you need to check if the flag for DO and OOC is stating yes or no, that is Y and N. Please note, if it is Y, then system will not ask you to upload documents, but if it is N, then the user has to upload the DO and the OOC document on Odex along with the stamp duty document. So since the status is showing as N for DO and OOC, we will click on the add attachment option. We will select the delivery order option and we will attach the delivery order followed by the out of charge document and we click on the save button. We further select the terms and conditions checkbox here and then we click on the pay option. Once you click on pay, it will lead you to the Odex payment portal option. You can pay via various modes of payment via Odex, that is UPI, net banking, Odex Van, which will result in faster realization of the payments to BMCT and also faster processing of the transactions. You can also process the payment via offline mode and update the payment details here. The terminal finance team will verify and approve the payments on Odex. For this, you can refer to the FAQs on the Odex website for more information on offline payments and approval timelines. So we click on the offline tab here and we can update the payment detail methods over here along with the bank name, the amount, the transaction number along with the transaction date, and clicking on the submit button. We will proceed further by selecting a preferred bank option here. We select the I agree with terms and conditions checkbox and click on the pay button. So once we click on the pay option, it will redirect us to the bank's website from where we can make the payment. So we click here on the success option, considering that the payment has been done successfully. So as you can see, the status of the payment has now turned to payment approved option, which means the payment has been successfully completed. We can once again go back to the track request options, to the terminal payment dashboard, and we can see the list of transactions which we have done on ODEX for BMCT terminal. You can also see the status of the payment showing as confirmed and the status of the documents showing as requested, which means this is still pending for an approval from the terminal's end. In case if you wish to change the pickup date and want to extend it further, we can once again select the invoices option and select terminal payment option. From here we further select once again the new terminal payment, select the terminal, select the vessel and the wire, enter the DPD code and click view. This will once again display the list of containers for this particular vessel and DPD, and we select only those particular containers for which we wish to extend the pickup date which we had selected earlier. So now you can see for this particular container, we had earlier set the pickup date as 5th of September and we had made a payment already. But since this payment is yet to be approved by the terminal, it will show as an outstanding. So we select the new date of pickup and we click the apply pickup date and time option. And you can see the new payment option, the total payable amount will be displayed here, which we can further continue to pay on ODEX, and the extension of this particular pickup date will be further approved by the terminal, which can be tracked on ODEX. We hope that this tutorial video was helpful, and in case of any further queries, you can always refer to the FAQ section on ODEX portal or the user manual. Thank you.